Well, after kind of a nightmare issue over the last 2 or 3 days with shipping transports and brokers and all that, I got really worried last night. They picked up the car in Louisiana and I had no contact for about 30 hours with the transport driver. Then he just shows up this morning. For the most part, I haven't laid hands on the car, haven't sat in it, haven't smelled it, but man, the exterior looks really nice. The underbody looks nice, and it is a 1990 twin turbo 300ZX, 80,000 miles with red interior. Didn't really anticipate buying this one, but it just kind of popped up and the deal was the right deal. And I knew I could fix it. It's got a bad computer in it, so my goal is to take the ECU out of my 92 car, the gray one that we bought about 6 months ago, which is going to get a Haltech anyway, and it's already chipped and EEPROM'd for basic mods that this car has, so it should work out pretty well. And then at least get this car running, and then we'll figure out a permanent ECU solution, or if we have to burn a new chip, because that gray car is on a lot more boost and all that good stuff, but it should at least get the car running and driving. So we will try to do that before weekend, but right now I just gotta worry about getting my car off this transport. I'm Jared, pleasure to meet you.
Christian.
Yeah, you can just pull in there, and the guy who sent me pictures of it loading up said it was...
Padrón.
Hello?
Hey, Jared.
Hello.
Rick.
Hey, Rick, are you the one I was just texting?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So you know Albert then?
Well, I don't know him. He's a broker, but he's not answering the phone right now. And
okay.
If you send him the phones, if you send him the funds, we haven't received them.
Okay. Typically the way I do it is I pay the driver a little something when they arrive, but this time I just paid him in full, and he said he was going to take care of you guys.
Well, he hasn't. Let me try to reach out to him, see if you can get a hold of him too.
Yep.
I'm texting him, and he's not answering. Give me a second. I think he's calling me back. Give me 1 second.
Okay. See, as you can see, it's been an absolute nightmare dealing with these transport companies. I paid one, the other ones went in payment, rightfully so. Just be careful whenever you're dealing with these brokers, because this time has been an absolute nightmare. Let me give this gentleman back his phone. I think he's talking to my broker now. Did you have a good trip? Titanium key. I think he's on the phone with my broker.
Padrón. Todavía no le pagan, ¿cierto?
Is he on the phone with him?
Huh?
Is he on the phone with him?
Yeah.
Okay.
How much?
800 is what I paid. That's what I paid.
Ah, no, 800.
That's what I paid him.
Delivery, 800?
I sent it internet, PayPal. See, I'll show you. See right here.
Collection? Collection? You?
Collect? Yeah, I collect cars. Yeah, I have a lot.
Hey, no.
No run.
No run.
Yeah.
No run.
Computer's bad. Yep.
Hey.
Yeah, we can see how it drops off right there. That drag drop. You can drive there and we'll push it flat. I have a winch too. There she is. Pretty clean. It's actually really, really clean. Oh man, it's real clean. I never got any pictures underneath it, so I wasn't sure coming from Louisiana, but man, this thing is hella clean. Han Solo dies in The Force Awakens. Where are you from?
Chile.
Chile, okay. I always get myself in some shit, I swear. So now we're kind of in a holding pattern. The broker that I use didn't pay the broker that this guy works for, so they're holding the car, rightfully so. Now we're just waiting for my broker to send this broker Zelle payment, and I've got to be at work in about 45 minutes. We still got to get this car unloaded, so this ought to be fun. Worst case scenario, I'll have to pay transport again, and then I'll have to go after my my broker to get my money back. Luckily, I sent it through PayPal, so I'll do a dispute with them. But they're wanting their money, like I kind of thought would happen. I paid you in full, and now they're not unloading the car until they get their money.
Oh, okay, no, okay, we're gonna pay him, okay?
Okay, well, we need to get it paid because the guy's sitting in the middle of the road.
Okay, listen. Tell him to send a request.
He said that he's waiting for your boss or some shit. I got to get this car unloaded because I got to get to work.
Okay, hold on, okay? Let me call my boss, okay?
Please, thank you.
Okay.
Fucking bullshit, man. Can't win on this one. Still sitting here a long time later. Thank goodness for Google Translate. It's the only way I can communicate with the driver. And my broker still hadn't paid the other broker, so here we are 20 minutes later, still sitting in the middle of the damn road. So I guess they're kind of scouting out my yard so they can make sure they can get in here and get back out. But if they get stuck, we'll definitely get them out.
¿Tú dices que recto paso para allá? Yeah? Okay.
I don't know what he said, but I know what this meant. So I'm guessing he meant drive down the driveway. Oh man, I swear it's my life in a nutshell. I may have to move the Talon though, because I got the Talon. The battery died in it yesterday when I moved it. And I may need to move that. See, right here is where I typically unload. I go forward, I pull the truck there, there's that drop, puts the trailer perfectly level, push the car off, pull the car up, be done with it. He's gonna have to go out. Probably gonna have to go out in the yard. That's a big ass trailer. You can come this way a lot. You still got a long ways to go. You got, on that side, you got a long ways. You're good, straight away. Just gotta understand what I'm saying. He's got all this damn room over here. All he's gotta do is go straight. It's a big trailer. Now I'd start going back left. Oh, he's just gonna clear. You're good on the pole. You're just dragging your ramp. Holy shit. Stop! Back up a hair. You're good, come on. You're good, come on back. All right, you just need to turn left. You had cleared, but your buckle was like that far and I didn't want you to hit it. So I would just turn left and go into it. No, I would turn left. The trailer needs to go that way. Man, what a freaking way to start your day. He's gonna... Yo, you need to go that way. You're gonna hit the pole. You're gonna hit the pole. Come on back. All right, right there. Now go straight and back to the right. You're gonna hit it. You're fine, just back up again. You're gonna clip it. Just back up. We'll get it, we'll back it up. Come on. Now start turning into it. Turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right. Now I would go straight. Straight, turn left and go straight. You're good. God, he's just gonna clip it again. Fuck it. You're good. Go straight. Perfect. You're good. I'm not worried about it. Cool. What I would do, here, I would follow me. Poor guy. God, that's a big trailer. I've unloaded cars so many different ways out here. That sucks. Some bitch is locked in full drive. Let me move this. I would just go right through there. God, I hope they don't take my driveway out. Oh, it's just gonna clear, isn't it? Oh, it's gonna click. It's gonna hit the edge of it. There you go. Lucky, lucky, lucky on that. Perfect. You're good. Yeah, I would go right here. Go right there. You're good? Right there. And then I would just, yep. Good God, this has been a nightmare. All right, let's check it out. I haven't actually looked inside this thing yet. But man, the car's clean. Clean, clean. Still haven't figured out the payment to transport, but woo, buddy. It's really the only bad spot in the whole interior. I'm sorry? Oh, it's on the phone. Oh, look at this thing. Man, this thing's nice as hell. Super freaking nice, man. Super happy with this car. You know, buying cars sight unseen across the country on deals that are probably a little bit too good to be true. You always take a gamble, but this car appears to be the real deal. Now, if we could just get transport paid. Gonna do some dumb shit. My wife drove my FJ to work today. I forgot about, because our electric car, the charge was kind of low, so she drove that. No big deal. Well, problem is I told these guys I had a winch, because I did, but guess what, she drove it. So I'm about to use the 200,000 mile Hawkeye STI to pull the Z off the trailer. So this will be fun. Smartest thing I've ever done, but should work. Car's got all-wheel drive, runs good, it's got short gearing. I'm gonna send Sean a picture of this. He'll love this. I'm gonna name that car the tow truck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Slow. Oh man, this is a nightmare. Luckily I stopped because he wasn't paying attention. We would have ripped the front bumper smooth off this thing. Hold on. All right, little. Stop. Well, somehow we did it without hurting the car. The GoPro literally died right at the last minute, but we got it off. It's not the way I expected to spend my morning. There she is. It is crazy how clean this car is. Like, I was going through some of the stuff. It's even got the original floor mats that are just in impeccable shape. I mean, look at these things. I mean, they don't even look like they've ever been used. It's got the original car cover. It's also got a set of Fairlady Z floor mats, the original T-top cover. It's got the bazooka tube. The bazooka tube. Really, this is the only bad part in the car. The speaker covers are slightly sun faded. I'm going to get those re-dyed. And then he's a Star Wars fan. I can dig that. It's pretty remarkable, man. This car is so freaking clean. It's got the old Vector radar jammer, radar detector on it. It's got the original booklet with it, which I assume that is what that box right there is. My 99 VR4 has something similar as well. This thing is just a nice, clean specimen of this car, man. I'm so excited to get this car running back on the road, and I'm not real sure what I'm going to do with it. It's so clean and so nice. I want to keep it. I just don't have any room for it. So if you're looking for an absolutely mint 1990 300ZX with 80,000 miles on it, fresh timing belt, fresh exhaust, downpipes, upgraded turbos, 740cc injectors, fuel pump, it's like got all the right mods. It looks stock, but to make good power, I don't know.